in-depth review process. This model is one of the best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
The Lasko Full Circle Ceramic 360 Tower Heater with multi-function remote control projects warmth around the room effortlessly, featuring 3 heat sweep settings to send warmth in a 90 degree, 170 degree, or in a full 360 degree pattern through the room. It also includes a large digital thermostat, an easy-to-clean filter, and built-in safety features. This tower heater is sleek and effective. The 1500-watt ceramic tower heater is equipped with 2 quiet settings and allows for high and low heat settings, making this Lasko ceramic heater ideal for colder weather.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.